Hi beautiful co-creators, Milena is here, and here I am to ask you and myself at the same time, how often do you feel stuck or perhaps in some fork in the road in your life? How often do you feel that blockage that doesn't let you move the direction you like to go? Well, today is one of those days for me, one of those moments. So here is 3 simple tips that I'm using anytime, every time, when I feel stuck, when I feel blockage, when I am experiencing some emotions that doesn't let me think and be observer. So, tip number one, drop everything, leave it everything, and step out of the house or out of the office or anything that you do. Give yourself permission to love yourself and do something good for yourself. Next tip, go to the nature. Connect with Mother Nature, if possible near the water, if not anywhere else you find trees, grass, flowers, rivers, lakes, whatever that it is in your case, just go and reconnect with Mother Nature. Her beauty will let you speechless even in your thoughts. Your mind will stop chattering and you will be feeling rejuvenated again, back to yourself, reconnected to who you truly are. That works for me every time. Tip number 3, go back home and do something creative, which I'm going to do right now after recording this video. And in my case, that will be painting. But of course, anything that you're driven to do it. Writing, cooking, cleaning your house, decorating your house, composing, or anything else. Just go and do creative work. You will channel that emotional pain body into something much more pleasant to be, into something that you was yearning to experience, just didn't know how. So here we go. Go ahead and try. It could work for you too. I'm pretty sure it works for me every time. Bye for now.